Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Well, we had that sunshine earlier today, but some clouds been moving in this afternoon. And right now, we're expecting cloudy skies through the evening. Temperatures won't drop off a whole lot, though, from where we are, heading down toward the freezing mark and leveling off there. And if anything's starting to rise as we go past midnight, should be up to around 40 by 8 o'clock with cloudy skies. And then late morning and into the afternoon, rain develops. Before that happens, we should climb into the upper 40s tomorrow, down to 44 at 5 p.m. with some of that rain in the area. And our weather headlines calling for the potential for a snow flurry. That would be north early tonight. Once we get past midnight, that chance will mainly move off northeast of us. And then we'll see rain on the way for Wednesday. Again, that'll be late morning and afternoon, obviously moving into our counties to the west and northwest a little bit earlier in the morning and then spreading across the region through the early afternoon. And that rain may change over to a mix of snow, sleet, freezing rain Wednesday night before it cuts off and comes to an end. Or maybe a few slick spots develop. We'll have to at least watch for that potential. Thursday looks mostly dry and chilly, maybe an early day wintry mix, mainly southeast of the Dayton area. And then we'll see the clouds and the rain around as we get to New Year's Eve and New Year's Day as some mild air returns. Temperatures over the next 12 hours, we are going to be doing a lot up and down here. Notice we'll actually be going down for a little while this evening toward the freezing mark, then start to rise later tonight into the upper 30s by 5 a.m. And then the daytime highs tomorrow should manage to get into the upper 40s to about 50 degrees over the entire Miami Valley. Just a function of the rain, how quickly it moves in, and how much warm air is able to overcome some of the evaporative cooling from that rain that'll be falling. And then we get back in on chillier weather Thursday with that cold front just dropping south of the Ohio River. So back to the low to mid 30s for highs north on Thursday, upper 30s down here in the Dayton and Springboro area. Looking at cloudy skies now on the Goodwill Auto Auction camera. Had some blue sky there earlier at the start of that time lapse. And right now we're actually picking up some radar returns up north. So there could be a couple of flurries this evening and early tonight, mainly in our counties north of Interstate 70 and really mainly north of US 36. So we're talking mostly up into dark northern Miami, Shelby, Champaign, Logan counties, also Auglaize and Mercer counties seeing that potential for some of that snow. The main snow areas to the west of us where winter storm warnings are in effect out through eastern Iowa, northwest Illinois, and that heavy snow band is going to be pushing up into the southern part of Wisconsin this evening. The blue skies we had earlier, well, they're still around, but now out in eastern Ohio and into West Virginia where it's a beautiful day. Right now in Dayton, we have a temperature reading of 34, east wind at 10 miles per hour with cloudy skies, wind chill number now at 26. Up north, Wapakoneta, Bellefontaine at freezing along with Richmond, mostly low to mid 30s down around the Dayton area, although 32 in Springfield. Then factoring in the wind, it feels like temperatures in the 20s out there tonight with some of those breezes out of the southeast. Your future track forecast map looks like a mostly cloudy night on the way. Maybe that early nighttime flurry up north. And then here comes the rain into Indiana tomorrow morning. By late morning, spreading into our northwest counties, and by lunchtime, even down here into the Dayton area. And then we'll see rain continue. Notice right on the back edge of this, a little blue and some pink showing up. So at least that potential for some of that wintry mix as we go into Wednesday night, early Thursday morning before coming to an end. Mostly cloudy tonight, maybe a brief passing flurry in the northern part of the region this evening, and early tonight, overnight low 32, and then rising later. Periods of rain tomorrow, that'll be late morning and into the afternoon with a high temperature of 48. Excuse me. 44, 10 o'clock, cloudy skies, and we'll see that rain get going around lunchtime into the afternoon with upper 40s, and then back to the upper 30s on Thursday with a chance for an early morning wintry mix southeast, but there's that rain back on New Year's Day, 56. Cloudy day on Saturday, only a slight chance of any sprinkles, and then 38, again a chance of a wintry mix on Sunday, some rain and snow possible, and then we're back in the 40s early next week, Monday and Tuesday. Brooke?